Where you from?
From Bangladesh. You?
What?
From Bangladesh. You?
Okay.
From
From
Philippines.
Philippines.
Salah pare. Kebaya.
Okay. I will teach you some Bisaya words. You know Bisaya, my language, Bisaya in the Philippines.
Language Bisaya?
Yeah.
I don't understand.
Okay. I will teach you how.
Okay, no problem.
Simple like I like you.
I like you.
Oh, sige. If I say I like you in Bisaya, you have to say kalibag taguk.
Kariban Tagu?
What?
Kariban Tagu?
Oh, I like you means kalibag
Tagu? Oh,
kalibag
no.
taguk.
Stop.
Ha?
Kamu stop.
Too much, ha? Kalibag. When I say I miss you.
I miss you. This
Yeah.
one.
I miss you. You say may pay igit.
My pai igit.
Oh, may pay igit.
My pai igit. I miss you.
Oh,
my
yeah.
God. Okay. You say. I love you.
I love you.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. That's
I
mean
what?
বাংলা আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
I love you in Bangladesh means Ami Tupali.
Okay. I like you, right?
Yeah.
This you know this one. And this from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
আমি তোমাকে পছন্দ করি.
I miss you.
I like you.
I like you.
Okay.
What? How do you say
আমি
that?
তোমাকে পছন্দ করি.
Ami Tup.
তোমাকে Easy.
Oh,
Yes, it is.
this one.
Okay.
I like you, right? What is I like you in Bisaya?
No, I forget. Oh my God. Okay, you tell
No.
me. I love you. This is in Bangladesh.
Yo, I like you in Bisaya. Like you say, remember this, huh? Kalibag taguk.
Kalibag,
Kalibag.
kalibag,
Kalibag taguk.
kalibag, tagu. Oh my
Oh.
Okay.
Bye bye. That's for
Bye bye. Salamat. Not good, na? Good.